Hey, what's going on, everybody? And I just got another question for you.
Are you ready for challenge number 2?
This particular challenge is going to encompass a lot from the last videos that we've covered. You're going to see things like conditional statements. We're going to be dealing with classes and inheritance. And you're even going to be doing a little bit with constructors as well. Let's get to the challenge, shall we? Okay, so here is the output that we want to see from our second challenge. So the first thing you'll notice is I have a print statement that says, I am moving, and then I print bark. Then I print, I have no legs, and then I print hiss. Now that doesn't make a whole lot of sense with context. So let's finally give this challenge some rules. So the first rule for this challenge is you have to make 3 classes, one called animal, one called snake, and one called dog. The animal class is going to have 4 attributes: name, eyes, legs, and Boolean has tail. So it's going to be very similar to our class video in that sense. So if you need a refresher, go back to that and you can see that as well to see how we set that up. The animal class is also going to have a method called walk, and walk is going to print I am moving if the animal has legs. But if the animal does not have legs, then we want to print I have no legs. Now for this challenge, we're only going to use 1 empty constructor for animal instead of 2. And what I want you to do is set the attributes of animal directly. Now that's going to be the tricky part of this challenge because we didn't necessarily fully cover that. But remember, the attributes themselves are variables, so you can set them. And we talked about how you can access variables from objects. So what I want you to do is combine the ability from seeing how to access a variable to setting a variable as well. If you have trouble, you can go back and look at that, or you can actually go ahead and look at the solutions, because I will also post the solutions along with this video. Now, besides the animal class, we're also going to have the snake class, which is going to inherit from the animal class. And then the snake class is only going to have a method called hiss, which is going to print out hiss, just as you see in the screen here. And then finally, you're also going to have a dog class, which also inherits from the animal class. And the dog only has the method bark. So those are going to be the 3 classes, and those are the rules for the challenge. Good luck. I think you'll be able to ace this one. And if you have any trouble, feel free to post in the comments. And don't forget that you also have some videos that you can look back upon if you need some help as well. With that, I'm going to pass it back to me in the future. So that's the challenge. I want to wish you good luck on it, and definitely I wanted to say that this challenge is going to be a little bit more of a step up in difficulty, especially since there is some parts that we didn't cover directly, and I wanted to make sure to just leave this in the challenge to make it a little bit harder. So give this a try. If you have trouble, feel free to post in the comments below. And if you need any kind of hints, don't forget you have a whole back catalog of videos that you can go back and look to. But other than that, I am DB, you are you. Let's keep rocking and let's keep learning. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace out.